guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you about a simple game called The Maze, and this is part of my level 1 game series. So, how it works is that there's a cat and there's walls in the maze. If you touch the walls, it repels you back. So, you have to get all the way to the end of the maze. And this is just a level 1 project, so it's not that advanced. So, once it gets to level 2, it's going to be a little more harder. So, create a fresh new project, then go to the backdrops, and then upload a maze or create a fresh new maze. I'm just going to create a fresh new maze because I don't have any mazes to upload. So I'm going to create a maze that's just very simple. Next, I'm going to need to fill these in black. So when the cat touches black, it's going to know that it touched black and it's going to start repelling. So to get started, go to the code of the cat, go to get events block and change it to up arrow. Then get a repeat 10 times block. So this will just make the code a little more smoother. So get a move 10 steps block in the repeat 10 steps block. So now it's going to move when we press up arrow. But it's just moving the right. So we're going to have to change it to move up. So get a point in direction 90 block. So now we're going to change it to 0. So it points up. But there's going to be a problem. It's going to face up like a rocket. So we're going to need set rotation style left right. So it only moves, it's like straight. So now we need to set up the one for the down arrow key. So I'm just going to have to change this to down arrow and point in direction to 180 degrees. So now it's going to move up and down, and it moves very smoothly. Now we're going to need one for the left and right arrow key. Now change this to right and make it 0.90 for right. And it's going to be the opposite for the left. It's going to be minus 90. Now, as you can see, it's moving down, up, left, right. And it's turning the way that you're moving. Now, we need to set up the code of touching the wall. So get when green flag is clicked block and get a forever loop. So it checks that if it's touching the wall, and then get an if then condition and a touching color black. So when it touches the wall, it's going to like repel. So we're going to need to get a point in direction, not point in direction, like a turn 15 degrees block and change it to 180. So it's just going to move like down. Now, get a opposite turn degrees block and change it to 3, minus 3. Now, when I touch the wall, it should be starting to spinning. I can go through the wall, but it's going to go like spinning. That's what's going to happen, but it could still go to the wall. Well, that doesn't matter. So, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!